Hey everybody, happy Tuesday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at a little bit of review, something that we've already talked about before, which is finding your own mentor text and learning from the books that we love. So you guys might remember that a mentor text is a book that we really love, that we study closely to learn what the author does in that book that we want to copy in our own writing. We've tried it so far with Jabari Jumps and Roller Coaster. Those have been my picks, right? But today is going to be another time that you are going to practice finding your own mentor text and copying a craft move that you find there. Now, you might see that the book that you love has things like pop out words or words that show action, or you might see that your author is doing something that we haven't talked about in class that you'd like to try today. It's going to be your job to take a little bit of time to find those two craft moves that you want to try in your own writing. Okay, so you're going to take about 15 minutes. Again, that craft move that you're looking for in your mentor text could be anything. Could be bolded words, could be using ellipses, that ... or something entirely new. I know, it's going to be super fun. So 15 minutes to do that, and then you're going to take 15 minutes to practice bringing some of those craft moves into your own writing today. Y'all, I'm so excited to see what kind of things you try out in your own writing. Just can't wait to hear your stories. Thanks so much for coming, and you guys have a great time writing today.